Thank you so much for buying our machines. So for semi-automatic capping machine, surely you will get the whole machine like this, because we don't release any parts of this machine. So after you get the machine, so put it like this. And first of all, connect to the air compressor here. So after you, 这个要怎么把 Yes. So please connect. Make sure that you have connect to the air compressor. Press in. And also how to make sure that you have connected successfully to the air compressor. Watch this meter. So the normal working meter will be pressure will be 不是0.4到0.6吗？这个是多少？0.2左右。这个是它可以根据这个来调节的。0.2 is enough, so you can adjust it based on yourself. And after that, connect to the electrical power. And now we are going to adjust the machine. We will take this bottle as a samples. Okay. 那我们现在开始调机。So first of all, put down the bottles under the capping head and screw the wheels to adjust the height of the capping head. So now you will see the capping head is going down. How 怎么才叫一个正确的位置？
这个和这个最好接触面大一点。
So, what is the right position for the capping head and the bottles? You will see the rubber capping wheels connect to the caps like this. The bigger surface you can connect it with the rubber capping wheels, the better. The next step, close the air compressors. And adjust the distance between two motors and this part. And just release the screw and this part. Release it and then adjust it and make sure the bottle is in the middle. And then screw it tight.
调到位以后，就是这个要有一点点松动，不能太松。
So the point of this adjusting is a little bit loose. 你摇一下 a little bit loose like this, but not too much.
把这个缩紧。
And also lock it down. After you adjust it well.
正常这个再调这个下来。
And then you can adjust the
再往下。
the pressing head.
再往下调。
You control it by release the screw on top of the capping head here.
这个咬一点点间隙就可以了。这当盖子旋紧的时候，这个咬一点间隙。
And the distance, the point of this part should be the bottle after capping, and it still have a little bit distance, just like this. That is the perfect situation. And after adjusting this, 要锁紧这里了。
这个是放紧以后，再把这个往前面移，这个灯位的。
And after you make sure the capping head is adjusting well, then adjust this part to hold the bottles holder. And screw it tight. And then after you adjust the capping head well, and then you turn on the air compressors once again, connection. 装吧。And you will see from this part, this is the part for you to adjust the capping strange, and later we will introduce you this part. This is the end of part 1. Please watch part 2. Thank you.